Hi, crafty friends. Lacey here, the Cheap Bum, and I'm on with some Happy Meal. This is from Zenobia, who is Craft at Home. I will link her down below, but she had a challenge, and I joined her challenge, and she sent me some stuff back, which I knew that she was making stuff with the things that we sent in, because it was a beatable challenge to send in a Memdex card with some information on the back and some beatable items that she can bead. But I didn't realize that she was beading them and sending them back. But I'm super excited. So we have a little card. It says, "Dear Lacey, thank you so much for entering my first challenge. Your entry, kind words, and gifts made me feel so special. I hope you like what I made in return. You can add more to the dangle and use it for a swap. Hugs, Zenobia." And look how cute her little, she's got her own little stickers. I'm going to make my own little stickers. I have my little sticker machine, and I'm totally gonna make my own stickers, because how cute is that? That is so cute. She's got some cute little eye patches in here. And then so I just sent some beads in because I thought that they were cute, and I had bought a couple. I had gotten them at Hobby Lobby on clearance. So she added to the chain. So the chain was just these little flocked balloon animal just charms, and she's added other flocked charms to it. So she's added this bow, and then some other little beads in between. So we have some faceted beads. We have these, like, these are really cute. These, I don't know, they're just like little bald flocked beads. But it's so cute. So thank you. I was not expecting you to make stuff to send back, but I truly appreciate it. And she's made me this Halloween / Chromie, which I do like. She sent me some Chromie stuff before. Look how pretty this is. So she's got some Halloween beads here. We have this little Chromie charm, and she's a little witch. That's so cute. And then this big fluffy heart. So thank you so much, Zenobia. I'm so glad I was able to enter your challenge. I know that I'm really bad at trying to get some challenges done with doing everything else, but things are really slowing down. I'm feeling better, so I'm really hoping that I can enter more challenges. I don't always see stuff, so if you have a challenge and you would like me to enter, and I don't like notice it, please just send me a message on Instagram, and I will definitely try to get things done if I can. So I hope this brought you joy, Zenobia, because you brought me some joy. So I hope everybody, I think she still has a good, I think it's good until May. I don't know. I will link her down below. Go check out her channel. I think that her channel, or her challenge, is still running. So please show her some support, help her channel grow, and join her challenge. Bye, guys.